My Oort lecture this year was on the search for life on planets around other stars. And this is something that NASA has been involved in for a while, and ESA is also involved in. And it's very exciting because the technology is coming along, and we're building these big space telescopes and ground-based telescopes that may allow us to answer that question in the not too distant future. We've actually been looking for life on planets around other stars for several decades, but we've been doing it with radio telescopes and looking for signs of intelligent life. What we hope to do now is actually back up a step and use other types of telescopes to look for signs of simple life, non-intelligent life on planets around other stars. That turns out to be more difficult to do, but on the other hand, the chances of success we think are much greater. So the thing I would be most excited about would be to find a planet reasonably like the Earth out there with liquid water on its surface and in the habitable zone of its star, and then to see evidence of gases like oxygen and methane and maybe nitrous oxide in its atmosphere, because I would consider that fairly definitive evidence that there's life off the Earth. Coming to Leiden has been a real learning experience for me because the astronomers here are very involved in ground-based astronomy. They have some big telescopes on the ground and an even bigger telescope planned, the ELT, extremely large telescope, which will be a 39-meter ground-based telescope. And they can do all sorts of wonderful things, probably well before the big space missions that I hope to be involved with.